बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm your English teacher and I'm here with another video for you. Today in this video we are going to read Unit 3 Dreams, which is written by Langston Hughes. It's a very beautiful and short poem which is written by Langston Hughes. Dreams, my dear students. What is meant by dreams? Dreams क्या होते हैं? These dreams are not those dreams which you see at night, जो आप रात को सोते में देखते हो. These dreams are our goals, our aims, our objectives that we want to achieve in life, जो हम अपनी जिंदगी में हासिल करना चाहते हैं. ठीक है, here we are going to talk about those aims and objectives. It is a very beautiful poem, so let us start reading the poem. Look at your book, come to page 23. Pre-reading questions. What are dreams? Dreams क्या है? As I have already told you that dreams are our goals, our objectives, our aims in life. What would your life be like if you had no dreams for your future? आपकी जिंदगी कैसे होगी? What would your life be like if you had no dreams for your future? I think your life will become hollow and bleak. Life without dream is nothing. Dreams are really important in our life. We all are having a lot of dreams in our life, okay? So we try our best, we struggle, we work day and night to achieve those dreams. So in this short poems, we are going to see that what is the poet going to tell us about the dreams. Only 2 stanzas are there. It's a very short poem. Look at your book. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Hold fast to your dreams. Stick to your dreams firmly. Okay? अपने ख्वाबों के साथ जो है आप मजबूती से चिमटे रहो, अपने ख्वाहिशों के साथ. Stick firmly with your dreams. For if dreams die, कि अगर ख्वाब मर जाते हैं, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. So how will your life become if you don't have any sort of dreams in your life? Your life will become like a broken winged bird. एक ऐसे परिंदे की तरह बन जाएगी आपकी जिंदगी जिसके पर टूटे होते हैं. तो जिंदगी फिर एक टूटे हुए परों वाले परिंदे की तरह बन जाती है. That cannot fly, जो कि उड़ नहीं सकता. Here the poet has used metaphor, broken winged bird, that if you don't have dreams in your life, so how will your life become? Your life will become like a broken winged bird that cannot fly. In this poem, in this stanza, the poet tells us about the importance of dreams and ideals in life. That dreams are really essential. Stick firmly to your dreams. Stick firmly to your ambitions, because dreams play an important role in your life. So hold fast to your dreams. Make your dreams come true. Make your life meaningful, because if dreams go away, life becomes like a broken winged bird. Broken winged bird जिसके पर टूटे होते हैं. As you all know that wings are really important for a bird. So your life becomes like a broken winged bird that cannot fly, which is not able to fly high. Rather it falls to the ground. जब एक परिंदे के पर ही नहीं होते, पर जो है wings are really important for the birds to fly high in the sky. लेकिन जब एक परिंदे के पास पर ही नहीं है, if that bird is not having any sort of wings. So how would that परिंदा, how would that bird would be able to fly? तो वो परिंदा कैसे उड़ेगा? That उस परिंदे की लाइफ जो है, परिंदा जो है उसकी जिंदगी जो है, it will become useless, बिल्कुल नाकारा हो जाएगी उसकी जिंदगी. As you all know that birds are naturally born to fly freely, but if its wings are broken, then what happens? Then its life becomes useless. So poet is giving us example कि जब if you don't have dreams, aims, objectives in your life, आपके कोई एम और ऑब्जेक्टिव, कोई मकासद ही नहीं है जिंदगी में, सो हाउ विल योर लाइफ बिकम? इट विल बिकम लाइक अ ब्रोकन विंग्ड बर्ड. आपकी जिंदगी भी उस परिंदे की तरह हो जाएगी जिसके पर टूट चुके हैं, जो कि उड़ नहीं सकता. Okay, so it was a very good stanza. I hope you have understood it. Now look at the second stanza. Hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go, life is a barren field frozen with snow. Hold fast to dreams. Again, the poet is saying that hold fast to dreams. अपने ख्वाबों के साथ चिमटे रहो मजबूती से. Stick firmly to your dreams. For when dreams go, कि जब आपकी ज़िंदगी से ख्वाब चले जाते हैं, ठीक है, चले जाएं. Life is a barren field frozen with snow. Again the poet has used metaphor in order to make you understand. He is emphasizing on the fact that how much dreams are important in your life. First, he had compared it with a broken winged bird that cannot fly. But now the poet is comparing dreamless life with a barren field. Barren field, बंजर जमीन जो होती है, ठीक है, जिसपे आप वेजिटेशन कर ही नहीं सकते. फ्रोजन विद स्नो, जो बर्फ से मंजमंद होती है, ठीक है, विच इज फुली फ्रोजन विद स्नो. So your life will become like that if dreams are not there in your life. So you can see that again the poet is instructing the readers to hold fast to your dreams and ambitions, because having a dream means to have a goal or plan, I must say. If you want a successful life, you need to stick to your dreams. A dreamless life becomes what? Motionless life and frozen like snow. ऐसी बन जाती है आपकी जिंदगी कि आप उसमें कुछ कर ही नहीं पाते हो, ठीक है. The poet has again given you a very beautiful example. He has again used metaphor for you people in order to put importance, in order to make it more clear to the reader that how much dreams are important for everyone. Life without dreams is hollow and bleak. Dreams are a source of hope, I must say. Source of hope, pleasure and satisfaction in life. So, dreams enable us to obtain success, power and richness. That is why our dreams and goals are really important for us. If we want to have a successful and bright future ahead, so we need to have dreams for ourselves. Okay, that is why the poet is again and again giving you examples. He is again and again emphasizing on the fact that how much dreams are important for each and everyone. I hope you all are having a lot of dreams. You all are having a lot of dreams to achieve them. You want to achieve them desperately. So this poem is also very much interesting. I hope you all have understood the poem. I hope you all are now well aware of the importance of dreams in your life, because without dreams your life becomes useless, good for nothing. ओके, इट बिकम्स गुड फॉर नथिंग, बिल्कुल नकारा हो जाती है आपकी जिंदगी. इट बिकम्स लाइक अ ब्रोकन विंग्ड बर्ड विच हैज नो पर्पज इन लाइफ बिकॉज इट कैन नॉट फ्लाई. इट बिकम्स लाइक अ बैरन फील्ड विच इज फ्रोजन विथ स्नो. देयरफॉर there will be no charm in life if there are no dreams. life will be cold, motionless, and purposeless. So I hope you all have understood the poem. It was very interesting and beautiful poem which was written by Langston Hughes. Read it carefully at home one more time. Inshallah, in our next video, we are going to discuss about the paraphrases, and we are also going to discuss about the question answers of the same chapter. Thank you so much for today. God bless you and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.